Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about Vedika. Vedika is an Indian actress and model who primarily worked in South Indian cinema, including Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and Malayalam films. Vedika is known for her elegant and graceful appearance. She has expressive eye and captivating smile, often styled in traditional Indian outfits that enhance her natural beauty. Vedika is an actress who known for her impactful smile and elegance. She had made significant wave in the fashion world, particularly with her chic and versatile choice. Her fashion sense in this category, whether she is spotted in casual outings or glamorous events, the beauty effortlessly incorporates shorts into her ensembles. Each look carefully cut to suit the occasion. Of high-waisted short, which not only elongate her legs but also add a vintage touch to her outfits. For more relaxed settings, she is seen in denim shorts, which she elevates with designer accessories like oversized sunglasses, chunky belts, and stylish handbags. Adding a layer of glamour to a typical casual piece, layering is another signature aspect of her fashion choice and dimension to her outfits. You might find her in high-waisted shorts coupled with tights and a long overcoat, combining functionality with a polished look. In warmer weather, she layers high-waist chinoms or caps over a short and tank top, adding a bohemian flair while ensuring comfort. Seasonal adaptability. Her ability to layer pieces not only showcase her style versatility but also make her outfits adaptable to various climates and settings. Prints and patterns are cornerstone of Vedika shorts. Wardrobe often gravitating towards designing that adds up playful elements in her outfit. Floral prints are favorite, especially in the spring and summer. Tops to let the short take center stage. Footwear and accessories. Her choice of accessory often complements the theme of her outfit. For intense, a pair of sleek heels and a clutch of sophistication evening looks. For a trendy crossbody bag and sneakers, her ability to select the right accessory ensure that her short outfits are always polished and well coordinated. Footwear play a crucial role in a short fashion, with a choice ranging from elegance to playful. She pairs her tailored short with heels or heavy boots to create a powerful elaborate silhouette. For more relaxed look, she opts for trendy sneakers or flat sandals, ensuring comfort without compromising on style. Ankle boots are a favorite, often complementing leather shorts or darker tones. Versatility and sustainability. Vedika fashion journey with shorts is a testament to her adventurous spirit. In experimenting with various fabric and textures, she often sports like short pair with flowy blouses or camisoles, creating a seamless look that transitions effortlessly. For daytime elegance to evening sophistication, on the other hand, are her go-to for adding an edgy contemporary choice to her outfits. These are often paired with bold accessories and contrasting textures, such as a soft knee or a structured blazer, highlight her neck for mixing different elements to create a balanced and cohesive ensemble. Her collection covers a broad spectrum. Loose flowing shorts are a perfect relaxed beach vibes, while filled style are go to more structure for formal appearance to various occasion and moods. Vedika short outfits reflect a blend contemporary fashion with a touch of classical style, making her trendsetter in the fashion world. High-waisted shorts are a recurring favorite, accurating her waistline and proving a flattering silhouette. These designs are versatile and can be styled in myriad ways, from retro inspiration looks with tucked-in blouses to more avant-garde ensembles. The high-waisted cuts are also allow for creating pair with belt and other accessories that draw attention to the waist, adding an element of sophistication to evening the simplest outfits. Her fashion choice are not only styles but also seasonally appropriate. She leans towards lighter fabrics and brighter colors in the warmer month, often opting for short pair with layered tops and sandals. As the season change, the transition to heavily metals like wools and beads, combining her shorts with cozy sweaters, tightened boots. The seasonal adaptability ensure that her short outfits are not only stylish but also practical and suitable for various climates. Vedika maintains a positive media image with her versatile acting style and charming personality. Her fashion sense is a blend traditional and contemporary style. She is often seen in sari and ethnic wear, while she opts for modern and chic outfits for casual and public appearance. Vedika has done numerous photo shoots for various magazines and brands, showcasing her versatility and ability to embody different looks and styles. Vedika is paired for her ability to portray a wide range of characters, from traditional village girl to modern urban woman. She has a strong academic background, which is relatively rare in the film industry. Her dedication to her role and performance has earned her significant fan base and critical acclaim. Vedika began her acting career in 2006 with the film Madrasi. She gained recognition with her performance in the movie Pardesi, directed by Bala, for which she received critical acclaim. Vedika continued to work in the film industry, exploring diverse roles and projects across different languages. Her color pattern range from classical to natural bolds, vibrant hui, showcasing her versatility and willingness to experiment. She contemporarily her shorts with a variety of footwears, for elegant heels and strappy sandals, to chic sneakers and ankle boots, each choice carefully aligned with the overall vibe she aimed to project. Here's the some details of Vedika. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe silently for more videos like this.